Hi there, welcome to episode 122 of the dailyshed, and today I'm going to show you a bit about strumming with one finger, and especially being able to alternate between fingers. And so this is fingerstyle guitar, but you're not just doing upstrokes, you're doing downstrokes as well, and strumming, just like you would with a pick. And this leaves other fingers free to pick, your thumb and your palm free to do percussive things, that kind of thing. But it's a bit of an unusual technique and very useful, the picking up and down for sure, but alternate picking as well, or just to keep your fingers from getting tired. So the basic technique I'm talking about is form a G chord, and with your index finger, just strum down, then up. That's it. Just down and up with your finger. You want to try to get it so it's very smooth and even, and also that the volume between upstrokes and downstrokes is the same. Hey there, David. Welcome. Okay, so you just want to have it very easy. Have your finger just, go very, very gently and very easily, very relaxed. Okay, and then try it also with your middle finger. And again, you'll need a little bit of nails to do this. You can certainly do down and up strokes if you don't have a long nail, but it won't be very loud. You can definitely use this technique, but it's more dramatic. You'll get a more clear of a strum if you've got a bit of a nail, just like I've got pretty long nails here. So try with the middle finger as well. Get used to doing that in a very relaxed way, and try some, just the top strings, then go down to the bottom strings. Alternate, and this is it's a tricky thing to get used to, but try going down and up with the index finger, then down and up with the middle finger. So the nice thing about it is that it means that your finger doesn't get tired from doing this over and over again. You get a bit of a break going between the middle and the index. Index, down, up, middle, down, up. A lot of nice speed too, like that, and your fingers will stay a bit more relaxed and not tire out so quickly because you're alternating. And I throw this in my tune called Montage, doing this this chord here, which is basically a G sus chord. Open A string, 5th fret on the G string, D string, 5th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B, 3rd fret on the E string. That. And I'm doing a thump at the same time, so I'm using the palm of my hand at the same time as I do the downstrokes. Like the song goes like this. Then the second chord is same chord, but now I let the B string open, so it's open A string, 5th fret D, 5th fret G, open B, 3rd fret on the E string. First chord, and then the last chord is open A string, 5th fret on the G, open G, open B, 5th fret on the E string. So those 3 chords, like this, without thump. Notice that it's also in 7/4 time, which may not strike you at first, but is actually in 7. And what I'm doing the whole time is I'm doing alternating down, up, index, down, up, middle, just because it's a lot easier when I'm doing this much strumming, especially if I'm playing it really fast. Thanks, David. Yeah, but like that, it doesn't get worn out so fast. So again, that song, and I'll do it without the thump. Again, going down, up with the index, down, up with the middle. So very slowly. alternating the middle and the index finger. If you want to throw in that thump, I'm just doing it thump real hard right on the bass strings, and I'm getting a bit of the body too, so you get a real solid thump, just like that. At the same time you're doing the downstrokes, so like that. And it's always with the downstroke, not with an upstroke. Upstrokes are hard. I rarely do that. I rarely do an upstroke of a thump. Sometimes, but usually it's just the downstroke. So this song very slowly again. This is just a regular G chord, bar chord, but without the low E string. Sort of forming it like this. So that's basically it. And yeah, even a song that is so strummy, my fingers don't feel tired because I'm doing the alternating back and forth like that. I hope that's useful. Definitely in fingerstyle, a lot of people would just do upstrokes. I guess if you're a classical player, probably mainly do upstrokes, except for a few special effects. But if you get used to strumming in place of a pick, you find that'll really open up your playing a lot. So start with the index finger, and the middle finger, and try alternating like that. I hope this is useful to you. Let me know any questions or comments you may have, and as always, thanks so much for watching.